Hey everyone, this is Paul from ZenGengo, the digital language teaching and learning platform with 10 assignment types covering all 4 skills of listening, reading, writing and speaking. In this video, I'm going to cover some of the more advanced functions of the assignment management, including copying, moving, activating, deactivating, importing and exporting assignments. So I'm assuming that you are logged into your ZenGengo account and that you are looking at the folder that you would like to manage. The first option I'm going to show you is how to move assignments between different folders. Okay, so I currently have 2 folders on my account. I have My Class and My Class 2, and I'm currently looking at My Class. Now, what if I want to move some assignments from one class to the other? Well, I can just go ahead and select the assignments I would like to move, and then click on the Move option, and then choose the folder to which I would like to move the assignments, and then click on OK. And the assignments have now been moved to folder 2, to My Class 2. Now, one thing to note about the move function is that you cannot move assignments that have submissions. So if any of the assignments you've selected to move contain at least one submission, you will see a warning about not being able to move assignments that have submissions. So please make sure that you empty the submissions before moving the assignments between folders. The second feature I would like to show you is how to copy assignments. So it's quite common to use the same assignments for different classes, or to use slightly different variations of the assignments for different classes, or even for the same class. In order to do that, you just have to select the assignments you would like to copy and then click on the duplicate option. Now here, you can either copy to the same folder that you're currently in, or you can copy to a new folder. I'm going to go ahead and copy to a new folder. If you like, you can also add a prefix or a suffix to the names of the assignments that you are copying. This is especially useful if you're copying to the same folder. But for the time being, I'm going to leave this blank. Okay, and I can see now that these assignments have been copied to My Class 3. One important thing to note about copying assignments is that they will not copy any attached submissions. So it's okay to copy an assignment that already has submissions. Okay, the next 2 functions I would like to show you would be to import and export an assignment and to import and export a lesson. So ZenGengo makes it really easy to share your work with your colleagues and also with other schools perhaps, and you can import and export assignments and lessons very easily. To export an assignment, you just have to go to the cog icon and then click on Export, and that will give you a unique code that another teacher can use to import that assignment into their account. And the same thing for lessons. If you don't know how to create a lesson, by the way, please check out the video about how to create lessons. Okay, so I've just created a lesson called My Lesson, and I can click on the cog icon and I can export this lesson in the same way that I can export an assignment. So how about importing lessons and assignments? Well, I just need to click on the import button here, and then I can paste the code that I obtained from another teacher, and that will import the assignment into my account. And the same for lessons. I simply need to paste the code that I obtained from another teacher into the lesson import window. One thing to note about importing lessons: because lessons are simply a combination of assignments, when you import a lesson, every assignment contained in that lesson will also be imported into your account. So the lesson does not link to the assignments in the original account. It will create a new set of assignments in your account, and then it will point to those assignments. Okay, so as you can see, ZenGengo makes it really easy to share your content of your account with your colleagues, and hopefully that will make your teaching more efficient and effective. Okay, thank you very much for listening.